How to fix Minecraft not responding easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft not responding easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just go to settings and then go to privacy, go to background apps and turn off all the background apps here just by turning off the first option, and after that just go to task manager and close all the applications that you don't need here like Google Chrome. Just right click on it and click in task, and that's it. Now just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed, and if that doesn't fix it, just close the applications here that you don't need unnecessary. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.